Alright, and right now I'm going to be showing the timing marks on this 2002-2006 Toyota Camry with a 2.4 liter engine. See the links here of the chain right there, the color links. Now this is the timing mark here, but I painted in white so it can be more visible for the camera. Right there, those are the timing marks, and these timing marks are lining up with this arrow here. See the arrow right there? I also painted, but there is a small arrow, very small. And the same on the other side here. This line is the timing mark, and it's lining up also with the arrow right there. Here, it's also painted. And see, the valves are closed on cylinder number 1. They all close. And now to the bottom. Right there, see the link right there, the color link on the chain, and see the dot also on the small gear right there. That's the oil pump. And let's go to the crankshaft. See the color link right there, and that's the dot also. I'm not sure if the camera can pick that up, but it's kind of dark here, and also the dot is so small. That is the dot right there. Now if we take this off, the timing chain, there is the timing mark right there, lining up with the color link and the small chain here of the oil pump. See the oil timing mark right there, and the oil gear for the oil pump, the small chain. So you have to line that up also with the color link on the small chain. So this dot and the color link have to line up with this dot here.